Good morning student. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics by Vimal Srivastav. Today I am making a video of class 9 chapter polynomial. So let's start the chapter. Students, now start the chapter polynomial. So first we define what is polynomial. Basically polynomial, it is an algebraic expression that consists of variable and constant. Now the question arises, what is variable and what is constant? Basically variable and constant both are a number. If a number is already known, then we can say it is a constant. If the number is unknown, that means we have to find the number. So the unknown number, that is called variable. Now for example, I written the algebraic expression px equal to x plus 2, qx equal to x square plus 7x plus 10, and gx equal to x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 11. So I already told polynomial, it is a combination of constant and variable terms. So now if we take the example px means px simply it is a notation for polynomial. If the polynomial is a variable x, so it will be px. Suppose the variable is y, it will be py. Suppose the variable is z, then we can write it is pz. So the common notations for polynomial are px, qx, gx. But it is not compulsory always we are using these three symbols. We can use any symbols. Now, so first we take the polynomial px equal to x plus 2. There are how many terms? There are two terms. The first term is x and second term is 2. So clear? हमने क्लास 8 में पढ़ा था monomial, binomial and trinomial. Means if the expression has only one terms, it is monomial. If the expression has two terms, then it is binomial. And if the expression has three terms, so it will be trinomial. So by that concept we can say px it is an expression and the expression that is a binomial. There are two terms. First term is x and second term is 2. Now what is the coefficient of x? What is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is 1. So in polynomial two terminology we are used. What is the terms and what is the coefficient? Now similarly in polynomial qx there are three terms. So we can say it is a trinomial. Now the terms are x square, 7x and 10. Now what is the coefficient of x square? H1. The coefficient of x, that is 7, and the 10, that is the constant term. Now the next polynomial, that is gx equal to x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 11. So there are four terms. Now the coefficient of x cube 1, the coefficient of x square, that is 6, the coefficient of x, that is 11, and the constant term, that is 11. Now the next topic is how we can identify the polynomial is linear, the polynomial is cubic, quadratic or biquadratic. Basically it depends on the highest power of variable present in that polynomial. Now in polynomial px equal to x plus 3, the variable is x and the highest power of variable is 1. So we can say px equal to x plus 2, that is the linear polynomial. Clear? Similarly qx, it will be called quadratic polynomial because here the highest power of variable of x, that is 2. And we can say gx, that is a cubic polynomial in variable x. So there are three types of polynomial: linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. If the highest power of variable is 4, then the polynomial will be biquadratic polynomial. Now next, look at in the all polynomial, the highest power of variable is a whole number or decimal number. Clear? The power of variable, it will be whole number. Suppose if I write py equal to y square plus 2 upon y plus 1. Now tell me, it is a polynomial or not? देखिए 2 upon y. Can we write like that? Y square plus 2 y to the power minus 1 plus 1. It is clear. Now, so here the highest power of variable is 2, but here the power of variable is minus 1. So the condition is that in a polynomial, the power of variable, it should be whole number. Clear? So we can say y square plus 2 upon y plus 1, that is not a polynomial. Now next, value of polynomial. I repeat, value of polynomial. Let the polynomial is px equal to x square plus 4x plus 4. I repeat, let the polynomial is px equal to x square plus 4x plus 4. We have to find the value of polynomial at x equal to 1. I repeat, we have to find the value of polynomial px at equal to 1. So what we have to do, in place of x in this polynomial we have to put 1. So we can write p1 equal to, so in place of x just put the value 1. So that is 4 into 1 plus 4. So that is 1 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 9. So we can say the value of polynomial px equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 at x equal to 1, that is 9. Similarly, we can find the value of polynomial at any value of x. It may be positive or it may be negative. Now, suppose if I put x equal to minus 2. I repeat, x equal to minus 2. Now find the value of polynomial px at x equal to minus 2. Similarly, what we have to do, we will put the value of x equal to minus 2. So, p minus 2, that is minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 4. So, p minus 2 equal to, minus 2 का स्क्वायर हो गया 4. Now 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8 plus 4. देखिए 4 plus 4 8, so that is हो गया 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Now look at here. In this polynomial, when I put x equal to minus 2, the value of this polynomial becomes 0. So we can say x equal to minus 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. Clear? X equal to minus 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. So now the concept is, what is the 0 of polynomial? Basically 0 of the polynomial is the value at which the polynomial becomes 0. So this is the concept of 0 of polynomial.